Hi guys, in this guide I'm gonna be showing you how to create a poll in Discord. So just simply head into the main interface of your Discord application and select any server or chat you want to create your poll into. So as you can see here, I am in a server. So just simply click on the message bar, and then as you can see in the left side of the message bar is a plus icon. Click on this plus icon, and then as you can see here, there are three options to choose from. So we're gonna be creating a poll. So therefore, select a create poll. Now, after selecting create a poll, we can ask a question about this poll. For example, we can ask, what's better? Now think of a topic that we want to discuss in this poll. For example, what is better, League of Legends or Valorant? We can also create emojis for this poll. And also, you can modify the duration of this poll, 8 hours, 4 hours. So let's set it into 24 hours. And we can also allow the users to answer in multiple answers. And that's it. As you can see here, users can now vote or select what is a better game. So that's it for our guide today in creating a poll in a Discord server or Discord chat, and thank you for listening.